Did you know that having just one plant in your home can significantly reduce stress levels? It's true, our home should be our sanctuary, a place where we can truly relax and recharge. But sometimes, clutter, stale air, and a lack of connection with nature can negatively impact our well-being. The good news is, transforming your home into a haven of peace doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. In this video, I'm excited to share some simple yet powerful DIY projects that you can easily tackle over a weekend. And the best part is, they all cost $50 or less. Life is busy, and it's so easy for clutter to accumulate. We've all been there. A pile of mail on the counter, clothes draped over a chair, that stack of books you've been meaning to put away. Clutter is more than just a physical mess. It can truly weigh on our minds, making us feel overwhelmed and anxious. Just as important as tidying up is the need to invite nature into our homes. Plants are not just beautiful decorations, they purify the air, boost our moods, and even help us to be more creative. Even if you don't have a green thumb, I'll show you how easy it is to care for some low-maintenance indoor plants that will thrive in your home. Now, let's talk about air quality. We often think about outdoor pollution, but the air inside our homes can be just as important. Dust, pet dander, and even chemicals from cleaning products can impact our respiratory health and overall well-being. Our first project is creating a calming essential oil diffuser using simple household items. You'll need a glass jar, some wooden skewers, water, and your favorite essential oils. I personally love lavender for relaxation and peppermint for focus. Simply fill the jar with water, add a few drops of essential oil, and insert the skewers. The scent will diffuse throughout your room, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere. Next, let's tackle that clutter with a DIY storage solution using recycled materials. Remember those cardboard boxes you were about to recycle? Don't. With some fabric scraps, glue, and a little creativity, we can transform them into beautiful and functional storage bins. These are perfect for organizing shelves, toys, or even craft supplies. For our third project, we're going to bring the outdoors in with a DIY macrame plant hanger. Macrame is such a relaxing and meditative craft, and it's a beautiful way to display your favorite plants. You'll need some natural fiber cord, a wooden ring, and a hook. I'll guide you through the simple knots, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. Chapter 3: The Transformative Power of Plants. For this chapter, I want to dive deeper into the incredible impact that plants have on our well-being. Plants are like little miracles. They purify the air we breathe, releasing oxygen and absorbing toxins. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and even improve concentration and productivity. Think of your home as a blank canvas, and plants are the brushstrokes of nature that bring life and vibrancy to your space. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of plants and arrangements. Create a cozy reading nook with a leafy fern, brighten up your kitchen with a pot of fresh herbs, or add a touch of elegance to your bedroom with a peace lily. Caring for plants can also be a meditative and grounding practice. Taking the time to water them, prune their leaves, and watch them grow can foster a sense of connection with nature and remind us of the simple joys in life. Remember, even if you don't have a large space, even a small plant on your desk or windowsill can make a world of difference. I hope these simple DIY projects inspire you to create a home that truly reflects your values and brings you peace and happiness. Remember, transforming your space doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. Start with one small project and see how it sparks joy in your life. If you enjoyed these ideas and want to learn more about creating a mindful and intentional home, please subscribe to my channel for more tips and inspiration. And don't forget to share your DIY creations with me in the comments below.